Hi, I'm Julie, the Director of Marketing at nuCamp. We're excited to introduce the Tab 360 CS. This model preserves the iconic teardrop shape that defines nuCamp while adding a stunning and well-equipped rear kitchenette. Featuring an open layout with dual twin beds and a thoughtful selection of amenities, the Tab 360 CS is crafted to be your ideal home on wheels. Let's take a look at the 2025 Tab 360 CS. The Tab 360 clamshell features a distinctive mountain graphic exclusive to the 360 lineup. Starting at the front of the unit, this model is equipped with handles to assist you with maneuvering the trailer at your campsite. A key feature of the Tab 360 CS is the lockable XL diamond plate storage tub. With a generous 8.4 cubic feet of space, it provides ample room for all your camping gear and essentials. There's also a dedicated spot for your propane tank, ensuring it's always ready when needed. A side panel provides access to your propane tank even when the tub is locked, keeping it in compliance with the RVIA standards. A separate long compartment runs behind the tub and is accessible from either side of the unit. Moving to the driver's side, you'll find the access compartment to the cassette toilet. Like the standard model, the clamshell includes a wet bath with a 5-gallon cassette toilet that is simple to remove. The wheels make transporting your tank convenient, and a button on top of the tank makes dumping quick and easy. Also on the driver's side, you'll find your 30-amp shore power connection and the access panel to the Nautilus water management system. This user-friendly system features a sticker key indicating its functions. It also includes an external shower, convenient for rinsing off pets or shoes before entering the cabin. Finally, there's an external solar port for easily adding portable solar panels, boosting your solar capabilities. The Tab 360 clamshell comes standard with 190 watts of rooftop solar. At the rear of the unit, you'll find the standout feature of the clamshell version, the outdoor kitchen. The key distinction between the standard Tab 360 and the clamshell model is the beautifully designed clamshell kitchen. It boasts a sleek white honeycomb backsplash and matching white countertops, creating an elegant and functional space. The kitchen comes equipped with a sink and a 2-burner stove, while an optional microwave can be added inside the cabin to enhance your cooking options. The fridge is conveniently located inside the unit as well. On the passenger side of the kitchen, you'll find a convenient cubby holding a 12-volt cooler on a sliding drawer, making it easy to access its contents. With multiple shelves, cabinets, and 2 drawers, there's plenty of storage to keep everything organized and within reach. Finally, moving to the passenger side, there are 2 110-volt outlets offering convenient power access when you're lounging outside your camper. New for the 2025 models, the clamshell features tinted windows that provide added privacy. These dual-pane acrylic windows come equipped with a built-in screen and shade system, allowing you to enjoy fresh airflow or complete privacy as desired. The entrance also includes a convenient pocket screen door, letting in fresh air while keeping out unwanted pests. Now, let's step inside. Upon entering the Tab 360, you'll immediately notice the spacious and light interior. The beauty of camping is the ability to choose your backyard and experience the splendor of nature. The Tab 360 features 2 large stargazer windows and 2 side windows, providing ample natural light and a panoramic view of your surroundings from the comfort of its interior. Just inside the door, you'll find a spacious 5 cubic foot, 12-volt compressor fridge with a small freezer compartment, giving you plenty of room to bring more food on your travels. By relocating the kitchen to the rear of the unit, the countertop is freed up, providing generous workspace. The front is equipped with multiple cabinets and slide-out drawers, offering plenty of storage for all your essentials. Hooks on either side of the countertop provide extra storage for small items like dish towels and cooking utensils, while multiple outlets ensure you have the convenience of power whenever you need it. In the main living space, one side features a permanent twin bed that doubles as extra seating when not in use. The other side is a 2-person dinette with a rail table that easily collapses to create a second twin bed. The spacious twin beds can accommodate individuals up to 6 foot 6 inches tall. This model is packed with storage options to keep your space organized and functional. Above and below the dinette and permanent twin beds, you'll find ample storage with additional space beneath the twin bed bench. At the rear, a shelf, 2 cabinets, and a headboard with translucent sliding doors and built-in USB ports provide even more storage solutions. The unit also includes several customizable shelves, allowing you to configure the cabinets to your liking. Each side features an adjustable reading light for added convenience. The nightstand between the twin beds is ideal for keeping essentials like a cup of water or your glasses within easy reach, and includes a drawer for nighttime necessities. Below the nightstand, you'll find the power distribution panel, complete with breakers and fuses for easy access. At the base of the twin bed is your battery disconnect and battery heat switches. A convenient media center is at the foot of the bed, perfect for evenings or those inevitable rainy days. This model comes equipped with a 24-inch smart TV and Bluetooth radio. The media center includes several storage options. Equipped with the Alde 3030 heating system and Truma Saphir central AC, the Tab 360 ensures comfortable camping in both summer heat and chilly fall nights. The Alde 3030 provides near-silent, consistent heat, offering a comfortable alternative to forced air electric heaters. For additional airflow without using the AC, this unit also comes equipped with a rooftop fan. Finally, the control panels are located just inside the door. The nuCamp control panel includes light switches and allows you to monitor tank levels. You can adjust the heating and cooling using the Alde panel. Now, let's explore the wet bath. If you're familiar with our Tab 320, you'll find the Tab 360 is reflective of its layout. With the added height of the 360, you'll find the wet bath feels more spacious. The wet bath includes a cassette toilet and a custom molded sink cleverly fitted behind the toilet. A great space saver in a compact RV like the Clamshell. The faucet head lifts to become your shower head. Now that we've covered the features of the Clamshell, let's explore your options for customizing your camper. You can personalize your sidewall with a choice of white, silver, or charcoal for an additional cost. The roof comes in white or silver, and the exterior trim options include bright white, steel gray, or jet black. For those looking to stand out in the campground, inquire with your dealer about our custom color options. Our skilled paint technicians can match your trailer to the color of your preference, ensuring a camping experience that truly reflects your unique style. Our Teardrop trailers come equipped with the comprehensive features of our Boondock package as standard. However, if you prefer a more traditional touring experience, we offer our Classic package. This package transforms the Tab 360 into a streamlined unit by swapping out the wheels, tires, fenders, axle, and entry door handle for a classic touring style. For those who love off-grid camping and crave additional features, the Black Canyon Upgrade is the perfect choice. It replaces the single 190-watt panel with dual 190-watt solar panels and includes holding tank heaters along with red underglow lights. The red lighting is softer on the eyes, helping to preserve your night vision and minimizing any disturbance to wildlife or fellow campers. Next, we have the Lithium Upgrade, which was created in partnership with Battleborn Batteries. This upgrade is ideal for campers who enjoy boondocking without access to shore power. It increases the battery capacity from 100 amp hours to 270 amp hours of lithium battery bank with internal heat. It also includes a 3000 watt multi-plus inverter charger. Purchasing a nuCamper is an investment. You can protect your investment with the nuCamp Ultimate Protection Plan. All of our campers come with a 1-year comprehensive tip-to-tail warranty that covers workmanship and all your components. By adding the Ultimate Protection Plan, you extend that exceptional coverage to a full 7 years. With no deductible and a plan that's 100% managed by nuCamp, you can have peace of mind and enjoy your adventures knowing nuCamp has you covered. We hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough of the new 2025 Tab 360 Clamshell. If you love cooking and gathering outdoors, this Teardrop Camper is made for you. For more information or to contact a dealer near you, visit nucamprv.com.